Hey Google, pause. Alright, hey guys, what's up? Alright, hey get. What's happening? Okay, hey guys, what's up? It's Austin. So today, I'm just gonna be doing kind of like a chit chat. Get ready with me. We're just gonna kind of chit and chat. I'm not gonna be talking too much about the makeup, just because I kind of don't want to be honest. I discovered Juice Beauty. They had like this CC cream and it like was really sheer and it just like kind of made like the back of my hand super glowy and really pretty. It smells literally terrible. Like it smells like actual like grass. Like it smells like you just like went and like shoved your face in grass. It doesn't smell nice at all, but like it makes your skin really glowy. It gets kind of tacky, so I'm like, I want to try this underneath my foundation. And for foundation, we're going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter. I used to love this foundation. A lot of people don't like it. I used to love it. Then I kind of like strayed away from it, but here we are. I just use a lot of very hydrating stuff underneath my primers, or underneath my foundation. I love very glowy natural skin, but I also like full coverage, you know. Sometimes I don't like full coverage. Sometimes I like really sheer, like literally like I would have put that CC cream on and been like great. But today I kind of want that extra coverage. I kind of strayed away from using powder literally at all. I don't use it anymore. Besides like powder like contour, bronzer, like stuff like that clearly. I think this is a good match. I don't know. I can't tell. If you've seen my transgender like coming out kind of video, then you can tell like, you know, I've been through some stuff. I suffer with depression. You know, this year, 2018 has actually been a great year to me. It started off really bumpy. It was just kind of taking the negative and looking for the positives. My hair's a mess. What are you gonna do? Because, you know, it's like I got fired from like my job that I've only known for like 2 years. It was like everything. I made some really great connections there. It was like all I knew. And, you know, I just turned 21. It's not like I'm like all old and wise. It's like I don't really know a lot. Like I'm still learning as I go. I've come to terms, like, you know, when something bad happens, it's not usually like bad. It's just like opening doors for new routes and like new journeys. And so that was like, I kind of just had to realize that, and I realized that pretty soon. Because I was like, I'm just going to sit and dwell over this and I'm not going to work my ass off. So like, you know, I took like a month off from work because I was like applying at places, like doing that. But I was focusing on social media more. Like I got reposted by Jeffree Star Cosmetics all in 1 month. I gained 2,000 followers, got reposted by Jeffree Star Cosmetics, got an eyeshadow collab. I got featured on blog posts. Like a lot was happening and I kind of straight, and then I got a full-time job doing cosmetics again. And it kind of set me back. I don't want to say it set me back because I'm grateful for my job. I love my management. I love my coworkers. Like I love everything about it. I feel like it set me back in terms of doing social media. And you guys probably know I'm not very constant with my social media, especially right now because I've been moving. For like the past month I've moved. You know, it's holidays, like I'm broke because I'm paying for like gifts, and I literally just moved. So it was like we had to pay $2,000 to move, you know. So we've been doing that. And you know, like seasonal depression, like I like fall time, but I don't like winter. Like it's winter and I'm not the biggest fan of winter just because it's just cold. Everything's dead now. Like it's just seasonal depression, but also like I suffer with depression like normally, but like this year I haven't suffered with it as bad because like, you know, I got a boyfriend who loves me for me. I love him. Like everything's like dope in that aspect. Like everything's like going well, but like now like we're at the end of the year. I'm like getting depressed and like sad again, which I'm trying to not keep myself in that mood. Like I'm trying to do things like I enjoy doing. At our old apartment, we didn't have like a lot of furniture, like anything. Like it was just kind of like hand-me-down shit from like parents and like my old roommate and stuff. So like now it's like, okay, this is mine and my boyfriend's like own place. Like we've been together for 7 months now. soon to be 8. We have our own place. We have our dog. We have like a little family. And I am kind of trying to get that all situated. Like, I'm more worried about my home and personal life before I am like social media. If you see me just like looking straight, it's because there's like a mirror right here, and that's like where I'm trying to focus it. I'm gonna do my brows off camera, and then I'll be right back. But it's just something I've been trying to fight with. So like, I've been doing a lot of things that like make me happy. Something that makes me really happy is home decor. Like, I love home decor. Like, that's something I actually really want to go to school for. I want to take like get a degree in interior design. You know, it's Christmas time, so we just put a Christmas tree up. And you know, I'm not a fucking millionaire. Like, I don't have a lot of money. I don't do social media a lot, so like, I don't get like, you know, anything. So like, it's like what I work for is like what I earn, but I also have like all these bills. So it's like I'm just slowly trying to like build everything up and make like a real nice and comfy home. Just because I'm home a lot and I like to feel comfortable and happy at my home. I'm the type of friend, like, if you're like, hey, do you want to hang out? And you're like, and I'm like, yeah. They're like, okay, I'll be over in 10 minutes. Like, you know, we're just gonna sit on the couch and chill and like watch movies and hang out. Like, that's me. I'm like the friend you like come over and you're like, you want to take a nap? I'm like, yes. And you're like, okay, be over in 5. Like, that's me. Like, I'm the friend that you just chill with. Like, I'm the type of friend, I'm like, do you want to grab some tacos, eat them at my place, and like watch a movie? Like, that's me. Like, I'm that friend. So like, I want my home to be like, I want to be like the safe place, like the comfy place. Like, my friend came over the other day and she was like hanging out and she was like, dude, your home is so comfy. Like, I just like want to get dicked down and go to bed. And I was like, yes. I'm like, that's exactly like the vibe. Like, everything's like slowly coming together and it makes me so happy. Like, my boyfriend was gonna get me the Smoke Sessions palette from Melt for Christmas, because I told him that's what I really wanted, and he was like, okay. So he went to order it and it was like sold out, and he's like, babe, I'm so sorry, like, what else do you want? Like, it was already sold out. I'm like, it's fine. I'm like, just give me like a gift card to At Home. And like, if you guys don't have At Home like where you are, it's like, basically think of like a warehouse. Like, you know how like Walmart's just like a big warehouse full of shit? That's At Home, but like all the shit's home decor. It's amazing. I love it. It is like my guilty pleasure. It's just so far from where we live. And like, I wish I was like a millionaire just so that way I can constantly just like redo my home for like every vibe that I feel. You know what I mean? That's it. That's why you guys should make me famous, so that way I can just like always do like home decor shit. I make that my channel, home decor. I buy makeup. Welcome, Austin's DIY. So I've been doing a lot of that just to make me happy and feel good and like, you know, do the damn thing. Okay guys, I'm gonna curl my lashes, pop on some mascara, lashes, and liner, and I will be right back. Hey Google, pause. Okay, so we're gonna bronze now. I'm gonna take Laguna by NARS. And I'm just gonna take a MAC 188. Also, you guys, can we talk about how much makeup is like starting to come out and how overwhelming it is? Like, there's makeup like literally every week. There's something new dropping. And I'm like, how do they expect consumers to like keep up with that? How do they expect, like, how are you guys keeping up with all these launches and all these products, and like, how do you guys afford all this shit? Like, this shit is crazy. Like, it's something new every day. Do you guys remember when like it would be like every season a new product, like new products would come out, so it'd be like 3 or 4 times a year? Now it's every fucking week from a brand. I'm gonna take just like a little bit of powder just to cut like right under here. Oh, I do need a contour though. So I'm gonna take the Kat Von D Shade and Light contour shade. I do potted it because I hate that palette, and I'm gonna take the lightest one, the lightest contour that they have. Now I'm gonna take, what do I want? I want to put a blush on, but I don't know which one. I might just take Melba from MAC. Take my beauty blender and kind of just press that all in. Kind of diffuse it. Now I'm gonna take, I need a little powder just to cut right under my jaw. I'm just gonna take my MAC mineralized powder in medium. I'm gonna run some product through my beard so that way it's not as like crusty looking. This powder right here. I might add just like a little bit more bronzer because I feel like it's kind of faded. That's just me though. Like I'm always like, I have my bronzer. I'm gonna add just a little bit of highlighter. This is NARS Fort de France highlighter. This is one of my favorites. I kind of want to do it red. No. I want to do orange, I guess. I'm not into this lip. Fuck. What if we just did? I want to do blankety with stop. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Or yeah, I'm gonna do that. Yes. So I'm not the biggest fan of this orange lip. This is Pumpkin Pie by Jeffree Star from his holiday collection of 2016. I'm going to take Yash by MAC. And then this NARS gloss in Hot Sand. I am going to change my shirt and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully I'll be back on the grind of uploading regularly, but we'll see. Shit's been wild. I'm ready for 2019, man. Hope you guys have a great day. Hope you guys have a great week. I hope you guys have the great rest of the year, because who knows when I'll see you guys next or when you'll see me next. So, until next time, bye guys!